Oh, God, paper. Wow, papers. Look, some papers. Huh? Mommy.
Did Nora send you paper? How nice!
There's 2 papers. Look, Mommy. Oh, I get paper.
A present for Abby.
Yay!
Mommy.
What could it be?
Wow.
It's shaped like a hat. Ooh! A dryer ball.
Dryer ball. Big second dryer ball.
I kid you not, this is my last project.
I got open, Mom, Daddy. Oh, Blazy. Papa, you.
That's for you.
Mom.
Oh my goodness, what?
Oh, these dresses all look familiar.
Nora.
Way too familiar.